Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. You can make one common mistake that can cost you hundreds, even thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video 20V having a Toyota Corolla that generation here from year 2013 to year 2019 if you guys have one of those. If you need to find where the DRL lights relay, also known as daytime running lights relay, is located, which relay you need to check, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Why it's important, guys, to always test fuses and relays, all that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to do engine work, transmission, mechanical, body work, anything you can think of practically. On this channel specifically, we'll be making at least 150 to 200 videos about that Toyota Corolla, that generation, guys. If you have one of those, we'll be making a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, your car does not want to start, you find out that the fuel pump is bad, you're not getting fuel, you can just search for fuel pump relay, fuel pump fuse really quickly, watch the video, spend a minute or two, replace it, you're back on the road, because the writings on the fuse boxes are very vague and most people will not even know what they mean. So we'll be making videos about every possible fuse and relay in that Toyota Corolla. So let's start on it now. So the DRL lights relay, guys, where you can expect to find it. If you have problems with the DRL lights, always check the fuse for the DRL lights. We have the video on our channel, Toyota Corolla DRL lights fuse location. Check it out, guys, before you waste money on parts and diagnostic you don't need. We have multiple fuse boxes, but we need to work in one that's under the hood. Open the hood if you face the engine on your Toyota Corolla. Under that cover here, guys, you'll find the main engine fuse box. We have a layout that will look like this one here. Before we continue, guys, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So guys, now for the DRL lights, daytime running lights. Oh, by the way, if you guys need to buy any fuses, relays, parts, tools for Toyota Corolla or any car at a good price, quick shipping, we will put the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. That way you do not waste money and time. If you need to find the DRL lights fuse location, we have the video on the channel. Now, relays that you need to check, that relays for the headlights, that relay right here, and some of them, some models, European models, and some other ones as well, it could be this one here, but check these two mostly right here. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you next time.